Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into the often frustrating world of corrupt pen drive file recovery. This tutorial aims to be comprehensive, covering potential causes, diagnostic steps, and multiple recovery techniques, including some code examples where applicable. Understanding the problem: what causes a pen drive to corrupt? Before we start fixing things, it's crucial to understand why pen drives become corrupted in the first place. Knowing the cause can help you avoid the issue in the future and choose the best recovery approach. Sudden removal during read/write. This is the most common culprit. If you yank out the pen drive while data is being transferred, reading or writing, the file system can be left in an inconsistent state. The operating system might be in the middle of updating file metadata, like timestamps, file size, directory entries, and abruptly stopping this process can lead to corruption. Power surges/fluctuations. Unstable power can corrupt data during transfer, similar to sudden removal. This is less frequent with USB drives directly connected to a laptop, but more likely if you're using a USB hub with its own power supply that's failing. Physical damage. Pen drives aren't exactly known for their ruggedness. Dropping them, bending the USB connector, or exposing them to extreme temperatures or moisture can lead to physical damage that affects the internal flash memory. Logical errors. These are errors in the file system structure itself. A corrupted file system can make the drive appear empty, show incorrect files, or prevent you from accessing data. This can happen due to software bugs, malware, or even age. Malware/viruses. Malicious software can directly corrupt files or the file system. A virus might try to overwrite files or alter the drive's boot sector, rendering it unusable. Wear and tear. Limited write cycles. Flash memory has a limited number of write/erase cycles. Over time, heavily used pen drives can start to develop bad sectors, leading to data loss. Manufacturing defects. Rarely, a newly purchased pen drive might have defects in the flash memory or controller chip that cause corruption. Step 1. Initial assessment and precautions. 1. Stop using the drive immediately. The more you use a corrupted drive, the greater the chance of overwriting potentially recoverable data. Disconnect it from your computer. 2. Make a clone/image. If possible, this is the ideal first step. Creating a bit-by-bit copy of the drive preserves the original state of the data and allows you to work on the copy without risking further damage to the original. If the drive is physically damaged or severely corrupted, this might not be possible. 3. Write protection. If available, some pen drives have a physical write protection switch. Enable it to prevent accidental writing to the drive during recovery attempts. 4. Virus scan. Before mounting, before you connect the drive again, scan your computer for viruses. If you suspect the corruption was caused by malware, cleaning your system first is essential. Connect the drive after the scan is complete. Step 2. Basic troubleshooting and checks. 1. Try a different USB port/computer. Rule out a faulty USB port or a compatibility issue with your current computer. Try connecting the pen drive to a different USB port or, ideally, to a completely different computer. 2. Check Device Manager, Windows. Open Device Manager, search for it in the Windows Start menu. Look for the pen drive under disk drives or universal serial bus controllers. If you see a yellow exclamation mark next to the drive, it indicates a driver problem. Right-click on the drive and select Properties. Check the device status for any error messages. Try updating the driver, right-click and select Update Driver. Let Windows search automatically for updated drivers. If that doesn't work, try manually installing the driver, if you have the driver file. 3. Disk Management, Windows. Open Disk Management, search for it in the Windows Start menu. Look for your pen drive in the list of disks. Check its status. Is it recognized? Does it have a drive letter assigned? Is it showing the correct capacity? If the drive is showing as unallocated or raw, it means the file system is damaged or missing. Do not format the drive at this point, formatting will erase the data. If the drive has a drive letter but you can't access it, try right-clicking on the drive partition and selecting Change Drive Letter and Paths. Assign a new drive letter if necessary. DMESC, Linux/Mac OS. If you're using Linux or Mac OS, the DMESC command can provide valuable information about hardware errors and device recognition. Open a terminal. Run DMESC tail, this shows the last few lines of the kernel log. Connect your pen drive, then run the command again. Look for any error messages related to the USB device or storage. Example output, you'll see something similar when the drive is recognized. SDB is the device name assigned to the pen drive, it could be SDC, SDD, etc. SDB1 is the partition on the drive. Step 3, File System Repair Tools. If the drive is recognized but you can't access the files, File System Repair Tools are your next line of defense. 1. CHKDSK, Windows CHKDSK is a built-in Windows utility that can scan and repair file system errors. Open Command Prompt as administrator, search for CMD in the Start menu, right-click, and select Run as administrator. Type CHKDSKX/F/R, replace X with the drive letter of your pen drive. */F tells CHKDSK to fix errors. */R tells CHKDSK to locate bad sectors and recover readable information. This is a more thorough scan but takes longer. You might be prompted to schedule the check for the next system restart if the drive is in use. Type Y and press Enter, then restart your computer. Example 2. FSCK, Linux/Mac OS. FSCK, File System Consistency Check, is the equivalent of CHKDSK on Linux and Mac OS. It's a powerful command line tool for repairing file systems. Use with caution, as incorrect usage can cause further data loss. Unmount the drive. Before running FSCK, you need to unmount the pen drive. In a terminal, *mount/dev/sdb1, replace /dev/sdb1 with the actual device name /partition, as determined by DMESC or LSBLK. If the drive is busy, you might need to use sudo mount l/dev/sdb1 to forcibly unmount it. Use extreme caution with the L flag. Run FSCK *. The command to run depends on the file system of your pen drive. Common file systems are FAT32, XFAT, NTFS, ext4. FAT32 sudo fsck.vfatf/dev/sdb1. XFAT sudo fsck.exfat/dev/sdb1. You might need to install exfat utils first. Sudo apt-get install exfat fuse exfat utils. *NTFS sudo enfsfix/dev/sdb1. You might need to install NTFS3G. Sudo apt-get install NTFS3G. ext4 sudo fsck.ext4f/dev/sdb1. Example, FAT32. Pay attention to the prompts and choose to correct errors. Step 4, Data recovery software. If file system repair doesn't work, or if the drive is severely corrupted, data recovery software is your best bet. These tools scan the drive at a sector level, looking for file signatures and reconstructing files even if the file system is damaged. Important considerations. Install the software on a different drive. Do not install the recovery software on the corrupted pen drive itself. This could overwrite the data you're trying to recover. Install it on your laptop's hard drive. Save recovered files to a different drive. Similarly, save the recovered files to a different drive, example your laptop's hard drive or another external drive. Do not save them back to the corrupted pen drive. Popular data recovery software. Recuva, Windows, a free and user-friendly option. It has a simple interface and can recover various file types. Test Disk and PhotoRec, cross-platform. Test Disk is a command-line tool for repairing partition tables, and PhotoRec is a powerful data recovery tool that can recover many file types. They are both free and open source. Test Disk can be intimidating for beginners, but it's very effective for repairing partition issues. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, Windows/Mac OS, a commercial product with a free trial, limited recovery capacity. It has a user-friendly interface and supports a wide range of file types. Disk Drill, Windows/Mac OS, another commercial option with a free trial. It offers advanced features like data protection and disk monitoring. RStudio, Windows/Linux/Mac OS, a powerful and professional-grade data recovery tool. It's more expensive but offers advanced features for complex recovery scenarios. General steps for using data recovery software. 1. Install the software. Install the chosen data recovery software on your laptop's hard drive. 2. Select the corrupted drive. Launch the software and select the corrupted pen drive as the drive to scan. 3. Choose a scan type. Most software offers different scan types, example quick scan, deep scan. Start with a quick scan. If that doesn't find the files you're looking for, try a deep scan, which takes much longer. 4. Preview recoverable files. After the scan is complete, the software will list the files it has found. Preview the files, if possible, to make sure they are the ones you want to recover. 5. Select files to recover. Choose the files you want to recover. 6. Choose a save location. Select a different drive, example your laptop's hard drive or another external drive, as the location to save the recovered files. 7. Start the recovery process. Begin the recovery process. This can take a significant amount of time, depending on the size of the drive and the number of files being recovered. Example using PhotoRec, command line. 1. Install PhotoRec. Sudo apt-get install test disk. This installs both test disk and PhotoRec. 2. Run PhotoRec. Sudo PhotoRec. 3. Select the disk. Use the arrow keys to select your pen drive from the list of disks and press enter. 4. Select the partition. Select the partition on the pen drive, usually there's only one. 5. Choose file system type. Select the file system type, example FAT/NTFS/HFS+/RiserFS/. If you're unsure, select whole disk. 6. Choose recovery location. Select a directory on your laptop's hard drive where you want to save the recovered files. 7. Start the recovery. Press C to start the recovery process. PhotoRec will scan the drive and save recovered files with generic names like F0000000.jpg, F0000001.png, etc. Step 5, Low-level formatting, last resort. If nothing else works, and you've exhausted all other recovery options, a low-level format might be worth trying. Warning: low-level formatting will completely erase all data on the drive. It should only be used as a last resort if you're willing to sacrifice the data in an attempt to revive the drive for future use. True low-level formatting is usually performed at the factory level and isn't easily accessible on modern drives. The term low-level format is often used loosely to refer to a full format that writes zeros to the entire drive. How to perform a full format, zeroing. Windows use disk part, command line. 1. Open command prompt as administrator. 2. Type disk part and press enter. 3. Type list disk and press enter. Identify the disk number of your pen drive, be very careful to select the correct disk. 4. Type select disk X, replace X with the disk number of your pen drive. 5. Type clean all and press enter. This will write zeros to the entire drive. It will take a long time, depending on the size of the drive. 6. Type create partition primary and press enter. 7. Type format fs equals FAT32 quick, or format fs equals exFAT quick, or format fs equals NTFS quick, depending on the desired file system, and press enter. You can remove the quick option to perform a full format, which takes longer but is more thorough. 8. Type assign letter equals Z, replace Z with a desired drive letter, and press enter. 9. Type exit to exit disk part. Linux use dd, command line. 1. Identify the device name of your pen drive, example /dev/sdb. Use lsblk to find it. Double-check the device name before proceeding, as using the wrong device can wipe out your hard drive. 2. Run sudo dd if equals /dev/0 of equals /dev/sdbbs equals 4m status equals progress, replace /dev/sdb with the correct device name. This will write zeros to the entire drive. The status equals progress option will show you the progress of the operation. 3. After dd is finished, use fdisk or guarded to create a new partition table and format the drive with the desired file system. Code example: Python script to read sectors, advanced, for diagnostic purposes. This script allows you to read sectors from the pen drive to see if you can access the raw data. It's a diagnostic tool, not a recovery tool. Use with caution and understand the risks before running it. You'll need root/administrator privileges. This example is for Linux/Mac OS. Windows requires different libraries. Explanation of the Python code *. 1. Read _sector, device _path, sector _number, sector _size equals 512, function *. Takes the device path, example /dev/sdb, sector number and sector size as input. Opens the device file in binary read mode, RB. Uses f.seek, to move the file pointer to the desired sector. Reads sector _size bytes from the device using f.read. Returns the data as a bytes object. Includes error handling to catch exceptions, example if the sector cannot be read. 2. Main, function *. Prompts the user to enter the device path and sector number. Checks if the device exists. Calls the read _sector, function to read the specified sector. If the data is read successfully, it prints the data to the console in hexadecimal format. You can modify this to print the data in other formats, example as ASCII text if you expect it to be readable. Important notes about the Python code permissions you need to run this script with root/administrator privileges because it accesses raw device files. Asterisk device path asterisk make absolutely sure you are using the correct device path. Incorrectly specifying the device can lead to data loss on other drives. Asterisk data interpretation asterisk the output of this script is raw sector data. You'll need to understand file system structures to make sense of it. This is mainly for advanced users who want to investigate the drive at a low level. Preventing future corruption asterisk. Asterisk safely remove hardware asterisk always use the safely remove hardware or eject option in your operating system before disconnecting the pen drive. This ensures that all pending write operations are completed and that the file system is properly closed. Asterisk avoid interrupting transfers asterisk don't disconnect the pen drive while files are being copied to or from it. Asterisk use a high quality pen drive asterisk invest in a reputable brand of pen drive. Cheaper drives may have lower quality flash memory or controllers, making them more prone to corruption. Asterisk regularly back up your data asterisk this is the most important preventative measure. Back up your important files to another drive, a cloud service, or some other form of storage. Asterisk avoid extreme conditions asterisk protect the pen drive from extreme temperatures, moisture, and physical shocks. Asterisk scan for viruses asterisk regularly scan your pen drive for viruses and malware. Asterisk consider write protection asterisk if you're only using the pen drive to read data, enable write protection, if available, to prevent accidental writes. When to seek professional help asterisk. If the data is critical and you're not comfortable performing the recovery steps yourself, or if the drive is physically damaged, consider seeking professional data recovery services. They have specialized equipment and expertise to recover data from severely damaged storage devices. Good luck with your recovery efforts. I hope this comprehensive guide helps you retrieve your files. Remember to proceed cautiously and back up your data regularly to avoid future problems.